Hey guys, this is Ryan Butler with Keller Williams, and today we're going to be talking about how to make your offer, your purchase offer, stand out amongst all the other offers. So you found your dream home and you're looking to put an offer in, and you find out that there's going to be more than one offer. What are some of the things you can do to make your offer stand out so that the seller will accept it? One of the first things you should do is making sure that your offer is a very clean offer. What I mean by a clean offer is making sure that all of the initials and signatures and check boxes and information that needs to be filled out, that is fully filled out and there's not anything missing. Because that makes it easier on the listing agent instead of some back and forth that could happen when those things are missing, which technically makes it not a properly avoided contract, if you will. The second thing to do is try to pull on the emotional strings if you can. So this one's kind of a back and forth depending on the situation, but there's nothing wrong with giving it a shot on writing a heartfelt letter to the seller to let them know how much you really love this home and what it means and what it would mean to you to actually get this home and purchase it. And so that's a way to let them know that you're really serious about purchasing a home, and you presented a great offer that's nice and clean and has term sheets and lets the listing agent know all in the simplest manner, what price you want, what are the terms, how quickly you're looking at close, and then attached with that is a letter directly to the seller telling them how much you love their home. And then the third piece is to make sure that you are fully pre-approved through your lender. So you've already submitted all of your documentation, you fill out the application for them, and they're able to say, look, you've already gone through underwriting, and all we have to do now is go through the process and finish the purchase of the home. So those are 3 tips that you have if you're looking to stand out when writing an offer on a home that can help you make a little bit better than the other offers that you're competing against. So I hope this was helpful, and if you have any questions, as always, feel free to reach out to me and I'd be happy to help. Catch you on the next one.